Welcome to Mexico, a land where nature and human creativity blend seamlessly to create a visual feast. From the lush greens of the forests to the warm tans of the arid lands, Mexico's natural palette is just the beginning. But it's the human touch that truly brings the colors to life, with hues like azul rey and rosa mexicana adorning homes and streets. As someone who cherishes beautiful surroundings, I was instantly captivated by Mexico's colorful landscape, feeling like Dorothy in the Land of Oz. If you're as enchanted as I am, you might be wondering how to bring a piece of this colorful paradise into your own home. Start with painting your walls. It's one of the easiest and most impactful ways to transform your space with the colors you love. Not ready to commit to wall colors? Try painting furniture instead. Even a simple chair can become a vibrant statement piece. Don't forget to bring the outside in with native plants and colorful flowers, adding touches of green and bursts of blooms to your space. And remember, even small details like a throw pillow or a handcrafted ceramic can infuse your home with the magic of Mexican colors. Embrace the whimsy and let your space shine. Share your thoughts in the comments and don't forget to like and subscribe. Visit MexicoNewsDaily.com for more.